How to switch to Bybit Lite. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you are using Bybit application and you want to switch to Bybit Lite for a simpler, more beginner-friendly experience, then here's how you do it. First of all, launch the Bybit app open on your device and make sure to log into your account. After you're logged into the account, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left corner from the home screen. You'll then end up in this page where you'll need to go to the bottom left and look for the Bybit Lite option. Tap on it to switch to Lite version of Bybit application. The app will immediately switch to the Lite interface, giving you a cleaner and more simplified layout. Once the switch is complete, you can explore the Lite interface where essential features like buying, selling, depositing, and viewing your assets are easier to access. So that's how you do it. If you want to return to the previous version, then you can simply go to the top left, tap on your profile icon, and click on Bybit Pro from the bottom left. And that's it. That's how you successfully switch between Bybit Lite or Bybit Pro. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.